Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what GPU and OS you have so you download the correct package. Open Device Manager or GeForce Experience and note the model and Windows bitness. Once done, create a system restore point and backup critical files. Make sure to close all games and resource-heavy apps so the installer doesn't fail. This also avoids driver conflicts. Next, choose whether to use GeForce Experience for convenience or the standalone driver for a clean manual install. Now download the driver using GeForce Experience or the Nvidia driver download page. If you want a clean start, pick Custom Install and check Perform a clean installation. This removes leftover files and previous profiles. Run the installer as administrator so permissions don't block driver services. During installation, watch for components you don't need, like HD audio or telemetry, and uncheck them. Once installation completes, the system will often restart. Let it reboot to finalize driver registration and kernel mode components. After reboot, confirm the new driver version in Device Manager or the Nvidia control panel and reapply any 3D or color profiles you saved. Run a quick benchmark or your usual game to ensure performance and stability. Make sure temperatures and fan behavior are normal. If you encounter crashes, black screens, or poor performance, first try rolling back the driver. If that fails, use Display Driver Uninstaller in safe mode to remove all traces. Then reinstall the correct driver cleanly. This fixes most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.